So this is a very simple dish. All you need is some chicken, cut it into pieces however you like. I have them fairly big. And I use a total of 3 chicken breasts. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Give it a nice mix and set it aside. Preferably, if you do this overnight, the chicken will be more tender. And some garlic. You can use whatever pasta or macaroni. After the chicken's about 70 or 80% there, add in the garlic. Add in 2 cans of cream of mushroom. And in those cans, just pour in some milk and add those 2. After the pasta's almost there, just add it to the liquid here and it'll finish cooking inside. Add in a nice amount of dill. And let it simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes or until it starts thickening up. And I cut up some more spinach just so it's a little bit more greener. Give it a more color. After you mix it in, give a quick check on the chicken. If it's fully cooked, you're done. Salt and pepper to taste. Just plate and enjoy. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, don't forget to subscribe. I know I'm small in size now, but that can change with your help.